Hi kids, let's learn about the nature vocabulary. Rocks. Rocks are hard. Rain. It is raining. Planet. Solar system has 8 planets. Tunnel. Tunnel is beautiful. Jungle. Jungle is full of animals. Mine. We get minerals from mine. Glacier. Glacier is melting. Water. Water is very important. Waves. Waves are very high. Mud. Boy is playing with mud. Sand. Sand has grey color. Stars. Stars are shining. Mammal. Mammals are beautiful. Reptiles. Reptiles crawl on land. Smoke. Smoke is dangerous. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye bye.